Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you drink turmeric milk? Known as golden milk or haldi doodh, this traditional remedy has been consumed for centuries to boost health and vitality. Turmeric milk is more than just a warm, comforting drink. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that impact your body in remarkable ways. In this video, we'll explore what happens when you drink this golden elixir, and how it works to improve your overall well-being. Before diving into the benefits, let's take a moment to understand what turmeric milk is. This simple yet powerful beverage is typically made by heating milk and adding turmeric powder. Sometimes, additional spices like black pepper, cinnamon, and ginger are included to enhance both the flavor and health benefits. The key ingredient, turmeric, is derived from the root of the curcumin plant. It's been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, mainly due to its active compound, curcumin, which gives turmeric its bright yellow color and powerful healing properties. Curcumin is the hero compound that delivers most of turmeric's health benefits. However, curcumin by itself isn't easily absorbed by the body. This is why many recipes call for black pepper, which contains piperine, a natural compound that increases curcumin's absorption by as much as 2,000%. This small addition makes a huge difference in how much benefit your body can extract from turmeric milk. The first thing your body experiences after drinking turmeric milk is a reduction in inflammation. Inflammation is a natural immune response that helps your body heal from injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on your body over time. It's often described as a silent killer, contributing to a range of chronic diseases. This is where curcumin steps in. It works by inhibiting key molecules that trigger inflammation, such as NF-κB, a protein complex that plays a pivotal role in your body's inflammatory responses. For people suffering from conditions like arthritis, regular consumption of turmeric milk can significantly reduce joint pain and swelling. The anti-inflammatory properties extend to other inflammatory conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or skin inflammation caused by acne or eczema. In fact, studies have shown that curcumin is as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the adverse side effects. By drinking turmeric milk regularly, you provide your body with a natural way to combat inflammation, helping prevent the long-term damage caused by chronic conditions. Turmeric milk doesn't just fight inflammation, it also gives a major boost to your immune system. The immune system is your body's natural defense against harmful bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Turmeric milk contains several compounds that bolster your immune function. Curcumin has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, helping your immune system fight off pathogens more effectively. It strengthens the immune response by activating immune cells like macrophages and T cells, which play critical roles in eliminating harmful invaders. This makes turmeric milk an excellent natural remedy to prevent infections, especially during cold and flu season. Beyond fighting off common colds, turmeric milk can also help maintain overall immune health by reducing oxidative stress. Free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells, can weaken your immune system over time. The antioxidants in turmeric neutralize these free radicals, supporting a stronger and more resilient immune response. Adding a cup of turmeric milk to your daily routine not only helps you recover from illness faster, but also strengthens your body's defenses, reducing your chances of getting sick in the first place. One of the lesser-known benefits of turmeric milk is its ability to support digestive health. If you often experience indigestion, bloating, or gas, turmeric milk can be a soothing and effective remedy. Curcumin stimulates the gallbladder to produce bile, a crucial digestive fluid that helps break down fats in your food. By promoting bile production, turmeric milk supports more efficient digestion, especially after a heavy or fatty meal. Additionally, curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties extend to the gut, reducing irritation in the digestive lining. This can help manage conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. It can also soothe the digestive system when you're dealing with mild discomfort, such as acid reflux or an upset stomach. Incorporating turmeric milk into your diet can lead to a more balanced and comfortable digestive process, easing both occasional and chronic digestive issues. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death globally, but adding turmeric milk to your diet may help protect your heart. Curcumin has been shown to improve the function of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels. Healthy endothelial function is critical for maintaining blood pressure, regulating blood clotting, and preventing artery blockages. Curcumin improves endothelial function by increasing the availability of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. This, in turn, helps lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Turmeric also reduces LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol. By preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, curcumin helps stop plaque from forming in your arteries, further reducing your risk of heart attacks and strokes. Drinking turmeric milk regularly, in combination with a healthy diet and lifestyle, can offer long-term protection for your heart. It's a simple but powerful way to help manage your cardiovascular health. Turmeric milk doesn't just benefit your body, it also supports your brain. Curcumin has been shown to boost levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein responsible for promoting the growth and maintenance of neurons, the building blocks of your brain. BDNF is crucial for learning, memory, and overall cognitive function. Low levels of BDNF have been linked to mental health conditions like depression and anxiety, as well as neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Drinking turmeric milk can enhance cognitive performance and may even help delay age-related mental decline. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties also protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to cognitive decline. Regular consumption of turmeric milk can help protect the brain from degenerative changes over time, maintaining both mental clarity and memory. By supporting both short-term brain function and long-term cognitive health, turmeric milk is a simple way to boost your brain power. While turmeric's internal benefits are impressive, its impact on your skin is equally remarkable. Drinking turmeric milk can lead to clearer, more radiant skin over time. Turmeric's antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals, which are molecules that cause oxidative stress and contribute to premature aging of the skin. Turmeric also has powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it effective in treating skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. By reducing inflammation in the skin, curcumin helps soothe irritation, redness, and swelling. Furthermore, curcumin promotes collagen production, which is essential for skin elasticity and wound healing. Collagen is a key protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful, and boosting its production can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. While many people use turmeric topically, consuming it through turmeric milk allows your body to work from the inside out, supporting healthier skin at a cellular level. Many people struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep through the night. If you're one of them, turmeric milk may be the bedtime drink you need. Milk itself contains tryptophan, an amino acid that increases the production of serotonin and melatonin, both hormones that regulate sleep. Curcumin enhances the effects of these sleep-regulating hormones by reducing stress and inflammation, both of which can interfere with your ability to get a good night's sleep. Inflammation and stress are often silent disruptors of sleep quality, causing restless nights without you even realizing the root cause. By calming the mind and soothing the body, turmeric milk creates the perfect conditions for a restful night's sleep. Drinking a warm cup of turmeric milk before bed can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling more refreshed. If you're on a weight management journey, turmeric milk can be a helpful addition to your routine. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to influence fat metabolism in the body by reducing the formation of fat tissue. It also boosts thermogenesis, which is the body's process of burning calories to produce heat. Curcumin regulates specific proteins and enzymes that control the formation of adipose, fat, tissue. By reducing the accumulation of fat and improving your body's ability to burn calories, turmeric milk can support weight loss efforts, especially when combined with regular exercise and a balanced diet. In addition to aiding fat loss, turmeric milk also helps regulate blood sugar levels. Stabilizing blood sugar prevents sudden spikes and crashes, which are often linked to overeating and cravings for unhealthy snacks. By keeping your blood sugar in check, turmeric milk helps manage appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain your current weight, turmeric milk can be a simple yet effective tool to support your efforts. Your liver is one of the most important organs for detoxifying the body, and turmeric milk can give it the support it needs to function optimally. Curcumin acts as a powerful detoxifying agent, helping the liver break down harmful toxins and chemicals that build up from processed foods, alcohol, and environmental pollutants. Curcumin boosts the production of enzymes that flush out toxins from the liver. It also supports liver regeneration by promoting the repair of liver cells damaged by oxidative stress or fatty liver disease. This detoxifying effect not only protects the liver but also helps the body rid itself of waste products more effectively, improving overall metabolic function. By aiding the liver's natural detoxification process, turmeric milk can help you feel more energized, rejuvenated, and free from the sluggishness that often accompanies toxin buildup in the body. Respiratory health can be a concern, especially during the colder months when colds, coughs, and respiratory infections become more common. Turmeric milk has been a traditional remedy for soothing the throat and respiratory system for generations. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties extend to the respiratory tract, where it helps reduce irritation and swelling in the airways. This is particularly beneficial for people suffering from asthma, bronchitis, or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, as turmeric milk can ease breathing difficulties and calm respiratory inflammation. The antimicrobial properties of turmeric also make it effective in combating respiratory infections. Whether it's a persistent cough, sinus congestion, or mild respiratory distress, turmeric milk provides soothing relief while supporting your body's natural healing process. Regular consumption of turmeric milk helps keep the respiratory system in optimal condition, providing both preventive care and relief during bouts of illness. Milk itself is well known for promoting bone health due to its calcium content, but when you combine it with turmeric, the benefits are amplified. Curcumin has been shown to support bone density and prevent bone loss, making turmeric milk especially beneficial for those at risk of osteoporosis. As we age, bone density naturally declines, leading to an increased risk of fractures and conditions like osteoporosis. However, studies have shown that curcumin can slow down the bone resorption process, which is when bones break down faster than they rebuild. This makes turmeric milk a valuable addition to a bone-strengthening regimen, particularly for women post-menopause, who are at a higher risk for bone-related issues. In addition to supporting bone strength, turmeric milk helps reduce joint pain and inflammation, which are common symptoms of arthritis. By nourishing both your bones and joints, turmeric milk provides long-lasting support for your musculoskeletal health. For those managing diabetes or prediabetes, turmeric milk can play a role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Curcumin has been found to improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body regulate blood sugar more effectively. When insulin sensitivity is improved, your cells are better able to absorb glucose from the bloodstream, which helps prevent dangerous spikes and crashes in blood sugar. This makes turmeric milk a useful supplement for those who struggle with maintaining balanced blood sugar throughout the day. Additionally, curcumin helps reduce oxidative stress, which is often elevated in people with diabetes. By protecting the pancreas, the organ responsible for producing insulin, turmeric milk aids in preventing further damage and maintaining better blood sugar control. By incorporating turmeric milk into your diet, you can help manage blood sugar fluctuations naturally, alongside prescribed medication and a healthy lifestyle. Your eyes may also benefit from regular consumption of turmeric milk. Curcumin has been shown to protect the eyes from degenerative conditions, such as macular degeneration and cataracts, both of which become more common as we age. Curcumin's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce oxidative stress in the eyes, which can lead to retinal damage. It also improves blood circulation to the eyes, ensuring that the optic nerve and surrounding tissues receive the nutrients and oxygen they need to function optimally. By drinking turmeric milk, you can support long-term eye health, reduce the risk of age-related eye disorders, and even alleviate eye strain caused by prolonged screen time. One of the most promising areas of research regarding turmeric is its potential role in cancer prevention. Curcumin has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in several types of cancer, including breast, colon, and prostate cancers. Curcumin works at the molecular level to stop the spread of cancer cells by inhibiting angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need to grow. It also induces apoptosis, which is the programmed death of cancerous cells, preventing them from multiplying uncontrollably. While more research is needed to fully understand curcumin's role in cancer treatment, its potential as a preventative measure is promising. Including turmeric milk in your daily routine can provide additional protection against cancer, especially when combined with other healthy habits. Making turmeric milk is incredibly easy, and you can tweak the recipe to suit your taste. Here's a simple recipe you can try at home. 1 cup of milk, or dairy-free alternatives like almond, coconut, or oat milk. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, or freshly grated turmeric root. A pinch of black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, optional. 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder or fresh grated ginger, optional. 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, optional for sweetness. Heat the milk in a small saucepan over medium heat. Stir in the turmeric, black pepper, and any optional spices you choose, cinnamon and ginger. Let the mixture simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to blend. Remove from heat and strain into a cup if using fresh turmeric or ginger. Sweeten with honey or maple syrup if desired. Enjoy your warm, golden milk. While turmeric milk offers numerous health benefits, it's important to consume it in moderation. Drinking too much turmeric milk could lead to mild side effects like stomach discomfort, nausea, or an upset stomach. Additionally, if you're on blood-thinning medications, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, you should consult your healthcare provider before making turmeric milk a regular part of your diet. Turmeric milk is much more than a comforting bedtime drink. It's a natural remedy packed with health benefits. From reducing inflammation and boosting immunity to promoting heart health, brain function, and glowing skin, this golden elixir truly is a cup of wellness. So, what happens to your body when you drink turmeric milk? Quite simply, your body thanks you. So, will you be trying turmeric milk? Have you already experienced its benefits? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness insights.